For this tutorial, we will be using the To Infinity DIY Balloon Arch Kit from FettyFest.com. It features latex balloons, silver foil stars, and metallic green Saturn rings. Let's start by inflating your balloons. As you inflate the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons, tie into pairs as you go. Make sure to tie together like colors. Once all of your balloons are in pairs, take 2 pairs that are the same size and color and twist them together at the knots to make a cluster of 4 called a quad. Repeat this step until all the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons are in quads. The white balloons included in this kit are 10 inches instead of 12 inches. I just found that it was easier to attach the Saturn rings to the smaller size. Inflate the 18-inch balloons and tie shut with a string balloon. Now take your 5-inch quads and tie them into pairs using one of the included string balloons. We will add these to our garland once we have it attached to the wall. To attach the Saturn rings, use the included pump to fill the green string balloons about 3/4 of the way full. Don't tie the knot until you have a chance to measure it around the 10-inch balloon. Slowly let the air out of the balloon until it's just the right size and tie it closed. Then, wrap the string balloon around the 10-inch balloon and tie the tail and the knots together. I found it easier to add the Saturn rings before tying my balloons into quads. There are 3 silver foil star pieces included in your kit. You will want to inflate these using the included hand pump. Be sure not to puncture through the back of the valve when inserting the pump. Tie the tails of all 3 pieces together using an empty string balloon. Now let's put it all together. Tie one of the included string balloons to your first 12-inch quad with a simple knot. Place the second quad on top of the first and wrap the string balloon around 2 of the balloons in the second quad in a figure 8. Repeat this step for all the 12-inch quads, tying on additional string balloons when needed. For this garland, alternate the colors by tying on one of each color until you reach the last color. Once you have assembled the main part of the garland, this is a great time to attach to the wall. Attach the 18-inch balloons by tying the end of the string balloon around the 12-inch balloon knot cluster closest to where you want to attach. You'll want to put a couple near the middle or the bottom, wherever you would like for the garland to be a little bit fuller. Now take the sets of 5-inch quads, stretch them apart, and floss them down between the 12-inch balloons. You can twist these around to the perfect position. Then grab your star foils and, similar to the process used to adding the 18-inch balloons, attach them wherever looks best. I like to put them high in the corner on the left.